Bookmarks are a great way to organize websites that you frequently visit on the internet. So I'm going to show you in this video how to organize your bookmarks in Google Chrome. So here we go. We're at a web page. This is the Department of Music web page for the University of Sheffield, and I want to bookmark it so I can keep coming back to it time and time again rather than having to search for it on Google or type in the web address at the top of the page. Now, we can add bookmarks to this little area here where my mouse is. This is called the Bookmarks bar. And you can see I've got a few things here already. I've got Google Drive, Sessions, Pear Deck, and a few other sites here. If I were to click on one of those, it takes us to each of those websites. But I want to add this University of Sheffield web page to this Bookmarks bar here. And the way we do this, up in the top right-hand corner, there's these three little dots. We click on those. We go Bookmarks, and we go Bookmark this tab. Alternatively, I could press Control D if you're into keyboard shortcuts. Control D is the way to get here quicker. So when I click on this, it comes up with the name, Department of Music, University of Sheffield. I just want it to say University of Sheffield. And I'm going to put after that music. So that's what I want it to be displayed. And in the folder, the Bookmarks bar, which is just across here, I go done. And that's great. So that means in future, all I have to do to get back to this page is I click on this little button here and it takes me straight to this page. However, I want you to imagine you've got lots of web pages and you want to put them all into a folder. So let's say I'd like a folder of university music departments. So rather than having lots of bookmarks along here, I could have a folder, and in that folder have all of the music departments. So the way we do this, let me just go to another tab. This is Goldsmiths, University of London, Department of Music. What I'm going to do this time, rather than creating another bookmark here, I'm going to create a folder. So we do this. Again, we press the three little dots in the top right-hand corner. We go to Bookmarks. But this time, rather than going to bookmark this tab, I'm going to go to Bookmark Manager. And that pops this screen here. Now, this just lists all the bookmarks I've got at the moment. You can see that's that one I added a moment ago. Whilst I'm here, it's worth pointing out that you can change the order of these bookmarks by using this screen here. So let's say I wanted the Google Drive, rather than being fourth on the list, I want it to appear right here, first on the list. So I click on it and I drag it, up it goes, and you can see it's moved up there, and I can keep moving things around. So this is a useful way to organize things in the order that you want to see them. But as I say, I want to have a folder so I can put all the University Department of Music websites into. So the way we do that, top right-hand corner, we go Add New Folder. Folder name, let's call it University Music Departments. And I go Save. So here we go. And we've got a folder that appears here. If I click on it, it says empty at the moment. So the first thing I can do, this University of Sheffield Music, I'm going to click on it and I'm going to drag it into it. And there we go. So now it's in there. But what I'd like to do, I just showed you a moment ago, this Goldsmiths, University of London, Department of Music website. I want to put that page or the bookmark into this folder here. So again, we go to the three little dots. We go to Bookmarks, bookmark this tab, or Control D. And this time, so I'm just going to change this. So it says Goldsmiths. And I'm going to put music. It's automatically picked out the folder that I've just created, but you could change it if you did want it on the bookmarks bar or somewhere else. So University Music Department to go done. And this time it's popped it in there. So in future, I can just click on these links and it takes us straight to those pages. Bookmarks are fantastic. They're really useful to help you speed up, get to information on the internet. As I say, the two things you've got to remember are bookmarking a page, and you go to the three little dots, Bookmarks, and bookmark this tab, or Control D. Or if you want to create a folder or multiple folders, you go to Bookmark Manager just here.